Hello everyone. Introduce CareerHub's latest AI features. Designing features for HR teams and employers, utilizing AI to prepare job descriptions, can significantly enhance hiring efficiency. Here is a quick step-by-step guide to get started. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Go to the HR dashboard to manage your job postings. Click the AddJob button to start a new job posting. Complete the required fields like job title and location. Click Create JD with AI in the job description section. Enter details like the job title and experience, then hit Prepare JD. Review the AI-generated job description to ensure it meets your needs. Copy the content or click Insert JD to add it to the job posting, then publish it. Simplify the organized recruitment process and attract the right candidate. Thank you.